Fonio is a super grain seen all across West Africa. You can literally do anything with it. If you're thinking quinoa, if you're thinking couscous, this is your new favorite grain. I'm Chef JJ, and I'm here to teach you all about Fonio. And look at this. It feels like sand, it looks like sand, but it is a super grain that's really good for you, packed with tons of protein and nutrition that is great for your diet. So Fonio doesn't need a lot of water to grow or rich soil. That's why you see it in a lot of West African countries that don't have a lot of water resource. Fonio is their go-to grain. You can get Fonio online. Just type it in, you'll see a bunch of websites that pop up. And even if you're lucky, you might find it in a high-end grocery store near you. So 2 fun ways to cook Fonio. First way is one of my favorite ways, is to cook Fonio the same way you cook couscous. For every cup of Fonio, it is 2 cups of liquid. I have 1 cup of Fonio here, 2 cups of hot water, and then take my plastic wrap, put it on top, put it to the side for about 5 to 10 minutes, and it'll be done. The next way to cook Fonio is right in the pot. A little bit of oil, olive oil, coconut oil, any type of oil you like. You toast the Fonio really nice, add in your liquid, and it will come out truly amazing and fluffy. For every 1 cup of Fonio you cook, it will then yield 4 cups. So it becomes very cost effective. Now come on, think about it. Does couscous or quinoa or any of these rice or any of these other grains multiply like this? That's impressive. All right, here we go. It's our Fonio from on top of the stove. Let's look at this one first. Look how fluffy that is and beautiful. Now let's look at our Fonio that we were steaming in the bowl. Look at that. So both of these will taste totally different. I toasted this one in oil and I steamed this one straight. But from this point, now you can flavor it. You can add some turmeric powder. You can add in some sauteed vegetables. You can take that Fonio you saw me cook and you can blend that Fonio up and make your own Fonio flour. What does that mean? Fonio pancakes, Fonio fried chicken, eggplant parmesan coated in Fonio. You can really do anything you want with Fonio because it's so versatile. I'm Chef JJ Johnson, and I hope I gave you all the tips about how to make Fonio delicious in your kitchen.